Hey everybody, Lou Santiago for Garage Insider TV. I want to talk to you about Woodward Fab. Woodward Fab makes sheet metal equipment, sheet metal tools, I should say. If you're doing stuff and you're, bending sheet metal, you got to have the right tools. Finger brakes, press brakes, shears, slip rollers. This is a 12-inch slip roller. They go from 12-inch, they have a 24, a 40.5, and a 50-inch slip roller. It can also bend wire. You see these grooves here? That's for wire. 1/8 inch, 3/16, and 1/4 inch. All of them have that ability to do wire, so you can make rings. If you're back halfing cars, if you're putting floors in cars, you need to be able to manipulate your sheet metal. You could take your 40-inch and roll a nice tub and then set it up for a nice bead with a bead roller. All you do is you take it, you put it in there, and you just crank it. Come back, tighten it up. I'm going to try and make sure that you're even. Crank it, wrong way. Man down, and just keep going. And there you go, a mini tub. I can use this for a wagon. There you go. So what you need to do is check out Woodward Fab. Go online, call them up for a catalog, whatever you got to do. Check them out, good guys. Ask to talk to Darren. Tell them Lou sent you. Hey everybody, Lou Santiago, and I want to talk to you about Woodward's Fab ring roller. This is their Mac Daddy one. You get a 1-inch die, 1.5-inch die, and a 2-inch die. If you talk to them nice, they can make you dies for square tubing too. Got to talk to them nice. This thing will roll up to 90 thousandths mild steel, which is pretty thick when you stop and think about it. You literally take the tubing, put it in the end here. This is your adjuster, and you just turn it. And as you're going, you tighten it, and it makes a nice big ring. It makes a real nice, it'll make a ring. You can make this handle with it, but it'll make a really nice sweeping radius. If you want to do a motorcycle frame, like a backbone, and come down like that, you can use this to make that with. So keep that in mind when you're doing Woodward Fab and you build bikes. This is a nice tool to add to your arsenal when you're rolling stuff like that out. It's cool. And you're going to see me use one because I'm really thinking about building a bike frame. So check it out, Woodward Fab ring roller, or actually tubing roller, actually.